Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to ask ChatGPT to write you a book outline. This can be an essay outline. This can be any type of outline for any type of project, even a business outline for one of your business endeavors. But here we go. I'm going to copy paste the question that I want to ask. So I ask, write me an outline for a kid's book about tree people who enjoy nature and meet other sentient plants. So this is the type of question you want to ask in this type of format when it comes to asking ChatGPT to create an outline. Write me an outline for a kid's book about tree people. We're going to click on generate, and it will start generating our outline. Okay, so now that you have ChatGPT's answer, you can actually see that it's very thorough and I'm sure that you guys will like this answer. So, the answer to my question, introduction, meet the tree people who live in a peaceful forest, blah, blah, blah. Now, Act 2, the sentient flowers. Act 3, the grumpy shrubs. Act 4, the musical mushrooms. And then it adds a conclusion. So, you can generate an actual book outline just from asking ChatGPT a question. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.